We've always had a good relationship with Cat. We've traditionally bought Caterpillar bulldozers. They've been the best on the market. The new System 1 undercarriage is a big selling point at the moment for Caterpillar. All our machines that are under 3 years old are on service contracts.
This job from one end to the other is approximately 2 kilometres. So the sand is being brought in 4,000 cube at a time, pumped to a booster station and onto the shore through the 2 kilometre sinker line. There's a concrete revetment to the south and an existing seawall on the main part of the protection scheme, which over the years has been undermined and damaged by the sea. The sand's coming in to protect that wall